In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Google Sheets. Creating a header in your spreadsheet helps to keep your data organized and makes it easier to reference different sections of your sheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a professional-looking header in just a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening a Google Sheet. If you already have one ready, that's great. If not, you can create a new one by going to Google Sheets and clicking on the plus button to start a fresh spreadsheet. Now, once your Google Sheet is open, we'll begin by selecting all the cells within your sheet. This is done by clicking the small gray square located at the top left corner of the sheet, right between column A and row 1. This action highlights the entire sheet, setting the stage for the next step. With everything now selected, we need to move our cursor over just below the selected area, beneath the intersection of column A and row 1. As you hover over this area, notice that your cursor changes from a standard pointer into a hand icon, indicating that you're about to make changes to your row configuration. This may take a little practice, but getting your cursor into the right position is essential. Once your cursor appears as a hand, it's time to click and drag the row down. Click and hold your mouse button as you gently drag the entire row downwards. This action effectively pulls down the topmost row, creating space above it. As a result, your data remains in place, but now row 1 is distinct, making it perfect for a header. After you've dragged the row down to your desired position, release the mouse button, and just like that, you will see that row 1 has become a header row. Now you can enter your header labels, such as name, date, amount, or whatever suits the data you're working with. Remember that having a clear and concise header is extremely important as it provides context to all the information below it. We've covered the primary steps for creating a header row in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheet much more organized and user-friendly. You can further customize this header by changing the background color or font style to make it stand out even more. Navigating through your data will now be a smoother experience, especially if you have a lot of information to manage. I hope these simple steps have helped you understand how to add a header in your Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today, and happy spreadsheet creating.